overall fairly pleasant looking weather continues through the weekend, but unfortunately we have seen the return of some pretty warm temperatures and muggy conditions. That mixed with some sunshine and this developing cold front will likely shift on through the valley. Could allow for a few showers and storms to try to pop this afternoon, though I do expect most of us likely to remain dry through the weekend. My attention shifts a little bit further west to this low pressure that is currently developing across the northern plains. This likely dips across down through the Midwest and up through Michigan and Ontario through the weekend and into Monday. So good chance that we'll see the return of some showers and storms come our day on Monday. But until that front end system move on through, should notice things relatively dry. Just a few pop-up showers today, and even the weekend itself should remain relatively dry. Still that spotty chance on Sunday, but any of that activity isn't until after sunset. That's going to be 9 p.m. to midnight, and really most of that should be after sunrise forward on Monday and even early next week. Just a slight chance for another round of some pop-up showers, maybe rumble of thunder as well. But any pop-ups we do see, whether today or next week, will unfortunately make these already muggy conditions unfortunately feel worse. Dew points will continue to remain in the 60s, even pushing the 70s by the time we get to Monday. So we're going to feel very warm, very humid, and unfortunately just going to give extra fuel that could allow for a few storms on Monday to become a little bit more feisty. Those we look across the Fort Henry Bridge, really not seeing a whole lot, just temperatures currently in the mid to low 60s, even our dew points in the 60s as well. It's already a muggy and warm start to the morning, and that unfortunately just gets worse throughout the day, as most of us likely max out in the mid 80s. So 86 here in Wheeling, with our warm spot of 88 down to St. Mary's, in our cool spot of 82 into Carrollton, down through Cadiz, Barnesville, and Woodsfield. Unlike the past few mornings, most of us aren't completely dealing with fog. Anything we are seeing is still mainly along I-70 and south, so a little bit here in Wheeling, down through Moundsville, Woodsfield, and New Martinsville. But that lifts by the time we get to 8 or 9 a.m., so expect sunshine, but by the time we get to the afternoon, so 1 p.m., we'll once again see these fair weather cumulus clouds start to bubble up, even some showers and storms that could try to pop along the cold front come 3 p.m. So 3 to 6 is our best time frame to see any showers, maybe even an isolated rumble of thunder. But by the time we get to sunset, we'll see any of the shower activity out of the area, and we should see things dry as we head on into the weekend. It's partly cloudy, 83 for our day tomorrow. Even for our day on Sunday, we should remain relatively dry, but very warm with our high temperatures in the upper 80s. Scattered showers and storms likely for our day on Monday. Just know that any of those could bring some heavy downpours and some gusty winds. Possible stray shower continues into Tuesday. Otherwise, 78, partly cloudy, but then we're back to sunshine and the low 80s for our day on Wednesday, and partly cloudy. Possible stray shower for our day on Thursday.